Hello everybody, this is Mr. Conductor from Shining Time Station, and today I have some news to share from yesterday. Like from Tuesday to yesterday, there has been delayed for the presidential election 2020 between President Trump and former Vice President and Senator of Delaware Joe Biden. So who won? So right now, the winner of the 2020 presidential election is the Democratic nominee, former Vice President of the United States and the Senator of Delaware, Joe Biden. So let's hear for Joe Biden. And we got the first female Vice President of the United States, which was formerly the Senator of California, Kamala Harris. She will be the first female Vice President of the United States. So they'll be held on the Inauguration Day at the White House in January 20th, 2021 at Washington, D.C. Okay, so that's all of the news that I have. And right now I'm going to film the New Jersey Transit X-2117 northbound to Spring Valley. So here's the horn. There's the GP40PH-2B! Express Central 3222! And there you have it, the New Jersey Transit / Metro North 2117.